Okay, let's do this. All right. So we're trading NFP right now. That's what we're going to be trading today. So it'll be a full margin setup. If you ask me, this range feels kind of tight for some reason. That day range. 2 consecutive days touching. So to me, that day range seems like it's going to break. The one at the bottom. I'm going for a 300 pip move. I'm going to close this position in 15 to 20 seconds if it does not hit my take profit. All right, seeing how fast these things execute. So it's pretty relatively fast though. Relatively fast. All right. So this is a full goddamn margin setup. No games. We're waiting 6 minutes till news. What is this? Okay. So I'm watching the spread. That's what I'm paying attention to. I want to pay attention to the spread and make sure nothing crazy happens in the margin level. I want to exit this trade in 15 to 20 seconds if it doesn't hit my take profits. So I'll be watching here. Also on another screen you guys can't see, I'm looking at my news on another screen that you guys actually cannot see. So if news is drastic, if the NFP is drastic, we'll get a crazy move. If it's small, if the difference is small from the consensus, we won't get that crazy of a move. I'm expecting to be in relatively close to market open. So I'm going to be like bam, bam, then come here, bam, bam. Basically. Do that really quickly. Alright, we got 5 minutes left. Beautiful day on September 1st. Welcome flight crew once again to my how to fold the fucking margin NFP. I'm doing 2 different ways to really diversify my risk. So essentially I have 2 different distances. I have one at 80 and one at 30. That's essentially how my trade is going. And it's diversifying with spreads. Each of my entries are going to get different spreads. Alright, so my distance is 30, my take profit's 120, and stop loss is 100 for my pending order. And for my spread, you can see it over my normal. I'm going to do a hedge trade, 300 take profit, 80 stop loss. Gonna fucking go. You gotta be now. Living in paradise. The Black Beverly Hills. Okay, I think this is more accurate. We have 500 to the upside, around 500 to the downside. I think that's a more accurate display of where this is going to go. All right, we got 3 minutes left. I'm going to try to take my buy stop and sell stop around 4 seconds left, actually. The hope, however, is that I do not get entered in any trades. That is not what I want to do. I want to get entered in trades past 0, so that's why I'm waiting for 3-6. AKA another round. Alright, we got 2 minutes left. The strategy essentially has a, I'm going to say 5 out of 6 chance of working. So it's on that 6th shot that either the spread goes wacky or the news isn't as impactful. That's really the main things you got to worry about. So that's why right now I'm watching the spread. When I get my hedge trading with 2 seconds left, I want around a 50 spread. And once again, if it's too wacky, like if I see 100 on my spread, I am not entering any trades at all. All right, we got 50 seconds. As you can see, the market's starting to pick up crazy volatility. And that's why we want to get as close as possible before we enter my buy stop, sell stop. My spread's right now actually rising as well, as you can see. Going very wacky. Less than 20 seconds left. Very wacky spreads. Market's going crazy. Holy shit. I don't know if I can enter this. Holy shit. Whoo! God damn, that was crazy. That was fucking crazy. Holy shit, bro. Holy. And right to the day range, you see this tap and now it's going to go back. Holy shit. We had a 400 pip move. Look at this insanity. I see what killed me here. See, what killed me is it hit my, as you can see here, it hit my buy and it hit my fucking sell. So that is a problem for the next time. But I mean, other than that, overall it was a good trade. We made 400 USD, so that's not too bad. But yeah, that's gonna be a problem. Entering so close, because I was entered at like 3 seconds left. So, anyways, all overall we get made profit, which is always nice. Nothing's wrong with $500. And as you can see, if it wasn't for if it was not for that buy hitting, which one was it? This buy right here. If it wasn't for this buy right here, we would have made out like a fucking bandit, guys. But here, let's look at something. See, something very unusual happened in this trade here, which I will show you guys. Let's go to objects. I don't even know range. But I'm happy. This could have ended worse, but it ended up pretty good. So let me throw this on the screen, see where it hit. Interesting enough, right? Look at this. It hit here, right? But I actually wasn't in this. So, I mean, what this means, essentially, is the spread actually hit this line here. So, USD had bad news. Oh, that means, oh, I can only imagine. Oh, God. USD CAD probably is going down to the fucking floor. Holy shit. Bad news for USD. And it's very bad news. That's the hot joke. It's very bad news. God damn. All right. Anyways, that's my take on how to fool the fucking margin news. We made a cool $400. That's cool. And yeah, why not? But I mean, technically, we should have made. If my thing didn't get hit, we'd have made a cool $2,400. But this is what spread does. See, because the spread went out like 70 pips, it ended up hitting my stop, my thing. Even though, so next time I'm gonna have to create a higher distance on that next time, because as you can see, this would have been a great trade, or even not even trade a pending. You know, not even trade pendings. That's also an option for this. So, oh, and I messed up again. I messed up one thing as well. My take profit was 12, and it should have been 22 for my pending trade, which I don't know how the fuck. I do not know how the fuck I fucked up on that, to be honest. But oh well. Great webinar, and I will see you guys later.